It's happening and tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video. This one, the lonely tree of Llanberis, which is an absolute favourite of mine. But is it really worth it? Because people come all over, literally all over the world, come and have a look at this tree. There it is, literally hiding out there. I can tell you what, if you want to come and do it, photographers, yeah, videographers, you want to come and do it, I'd suggest very, very early on in the morning or last thing at night. Because I tell you what, come in here 2:10 in the afternoon, it is literally a bit of a nightmare because you're queuing up to get the tree, literally queuing to have a picture by the tree, which is mind-blowing. There's all the other sort of stuff that's going on. But I tell you what, a lot of rude people around as well today. But aside from that, this video isn't going to be a long one, and I'm not going to sit here and moan and preach about it either, because I love it. I think it's an awesome tree, and I get why everyone wants to come and have a little nosy at it. But if you want to come and take proper pictures of it, a bit of peace and tranquil quiet, time it right, that's all I'm going to say. Anyway, tree. Right, so here we go, the lonely tree of Llanberis. Always worth a check if you're in the area. I tell you what, people literally come from worldwide to do this. I'm not even kidding you. It's bonkers, it's a gorgeous place. Granted, summer holidays today, but it is busy, very, very busy. Awesome though, absolutely stunning place. It's good to come off, switch off from the world and get involved with it.